pet them? This one here.
They're so cute. I love them. But sometimes I'm afraid to get them I'm going to pretend to be a sheep.
What? I can't hug you, sorry.